Hello? Welsh National Theatre box office?
What I'm hoping to do with the Welsh Net is to be able to look out for where talent is in Wales.
I'm here in the beautiful Swansea Grand Theatre.
We're at Venue Cymru, where we will be bringing our town, Theatr Clwyd, here in Mold.
England's history is one of blood and strife.
Yes, we are!
This money is what's funding what you can actually see going on behind you. So yeah, thank you so much. Diolch yn fawr iawn.
It's such an iconic moment for Wales to have this National Theatre, and there's such a buzz here.